There She Goes by the Lars. This is, of course, a 90s classic guitar song, but we also have 5 open chords in this song that anyone will be able to play. And we have this classic riff. So you can strum along to the basic chords G, D, and C for the majority of this song, or you can learn the riff and add a little bit of lead playing into your practice time. So here's a quick run through the chords. First of all, we have a G major chord, which I just choose to play with third and little finger down. This way of playing a G would be fine. I just like this way of playing a G personally, especially when we go to D major, because we can keep that third finger down and move to a D major like this. So we've got an anchor finger, which is a very handy thing when we have chord changes like this. It makes it sound more pleasant. We then go to the C major. And for the verses, which kind of start off as the chorus, don't they? I mean, the first line of the song is the title of the song, but it generally goes, there she goes again, G major, D major, C. Then we have a new chord, A minor, back to G, and then C. Same as that again, A minor, G, C, and then the little build up, D, 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 which is a mute on beat 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and that one more time, mute, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Strumming pattern throughout. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's a 2-bar strumming pattern, and it means that it's down, down, up on the G chord, down, down, up on the D chord, and then for the C chord, which is a whole bar, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. To a count, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and on the chorus, it's exactly that same rhythm. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Thing I want to point out here is I'm totally lifting off on that last up strum. Down, down, up. That last up, I've lifted off of the chord that I'm on, and I'm going to be down on the next chord by the next beat. This gives us time to change chords. This is what beginners don't often learn, that we don't actually have to change chord instantly. Down, down, up. This isn't a chord, but as long as we're down by the next beat, the next strum, down, down, up. It sounds great. It kind of adds something. Gives it a little bit more rhythm and enables us to make better chord changes. So let's play that through from the beginning, then we'll have a look at the riff, and then we'll have a look at the only other chord section that we need to learn in this song. And that's the whole thing. So down, down, up, strumming pattern from the G chord in 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Second time through. Third time, and this is the last time. Then we go to A minor, and I just can't contain. Same again. A minor, G, C, 2 and 3 and 4, and mute. Down, 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 down. So after down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Silence outside of the palm of the hand on the strings, and then D, and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's give the whole thing a go again with a little bit of singing, but not too much to put you off, just so you know where we are in the song. 2, 3, 4. There she goes. There she goes again. Racing through my brain. A minor, G major, C. A minor, G major, C. Remember the mutes? And then it basically repeats exactly in that form, whether the singing's there or not, for about 2 and a bit minutes. We'll cover the intro now, and then we'll cover the one extra bit of this that we need to do, which just includes the E minor chord.
If you enjoy this video, why not check out the full range of courses available at andyguitar.co.uk. From total beginner to advanced, acoustic and electric guitar, we have structured lessons, exclusive song tutorials not available on YouTube, regular live lessons so you can get all the feedback you need. Try all of this for free with a 10-day free trial. The link to that is in the description. Let's get back to the video.
So here's that famous intro, absolutely classic. So we begin with the middle finger and the third finger at the 3rd fret on strings 1 and 2. And we want those to be as far this side as they can be, right up against the fret if possible, because we are going to be stretching this little finger to the 6th fret. And just to let you know, if we just play string 1, 2, and 3, you're actually playing the top 3 strings of a G major chord. All we need to do is string 2, 1, 2. And we're going to alternate between string 2 and 1 an awful lot. So picking down, then up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up is going to be the way forward. That's the picking pattern to use. Down, up, down. On the next up, little finger stretches to here. You can lift off your third finger if that's an easier stretch. Then to first finger. So kind of here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then middle finger on its own. So picking string 2, 1, 2, 4th pick, little finger. 6th pick is the first finger, kind of like it is on a D major chord. And then open. And alternating between open, stays there a little bit. Bum, 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 bum. And then that last one hits the open 3rd string. And that's actually the last note of the riff before it repeats. If the picking's giving you an issue, small motions, and just make sure you can get this comfortably while talking, while under distraction, because that's what it's mainly doing. And then occasionally going to string 3, which is something I look at in the intermediate course that I have available at andyguitar.co.uk. That's one of those techniques that's going to really help you nail these riffs. First chord, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get those two things separately, then put them together. If you need more help with the stretch, just do 1, 2, and just alternate that. To make sure that little finger note's really ringing out. A warm-up exercise I do a lot is this one, where we have all 4 fingers down a string, and then the opposite way, one direction, the opposite way. Sounds kind of jazzy, but that's really good for those kind of stretches, because that little finger doesn't always have to stretch that far, but it's needing to here for sure. Okay, there's only one more section left to this, and it's where we go to the E minor. There she goes again. And then we're back to exactly the same as what we were doing before. So we'd call this the bridge section, or the middle 8. In the UK, we tend to call it a middle 8. It's only 4 bars in this case, though. E minor, there she's, and to C major, E minor, C, briefly to D, and then we're back to how we were. So as an example, 2, 3, 4. There she goes again. My name calls my name. that's how to play it. There she goes. Let me know your favorite 90s songs in the comments below, and you never know, I might have a tutorial for them, or I might do one in the near future. So do let me know, and I'll leave a couple of other lessons I think you'll like on the screen now.